Hello everyone, I am Rajkumar Shah, being physics teacher, welcoming you into the world of physics. So today, what we are going to do? We are going to play. What? What is it? This object is moving. So what is it called? It is called motion. Yes, motion. So which type of motion we are going to discuss? I hope if I throw like this, so which motion is that? Straight, rectilinear. But in this case, just what is it? Which type of motion is this? See this. If we talk about in Bahubali movie, you must have seen. You must have. What is this? See, in this, which motion is this? This is called projectile motion. Which motion is this? This is known as projectile motion. Yeah, this object has been projected and it is going in a fixed curved path. Yes, curved path. So this is known as x-axis and this is known as y-axis. And here, if we talk about this ball is going on this parabolic path and it covers some height, some distance, some displacement in horizontal as well as in vertical. Vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Yes, at each and every point. Means this is two-dimensional motion. Yes, it is two-dimensional motion, or we can say motion in a plane. So here the topic begins, and what is that? Yes, it is projectile motion. The object has been projected. So this projectile motion is the motion in a plane, and here it covers some distance at the horizontal plane as well as at the vertical plane. Okay, but in this now, this is, what is it called? This is called the maximum height attained by this ball during its projectile motion. So this is called the maximum height. And if we talk about this from 0 to this point, from A point to B point, this is called horizontal range. So this is here maximum height. This is called the horizontal range, and yes, attaining this height, time will be taken. So this will be the time of reaching at the maximum height. And when from A point to C point to finally B point, how much time will be taken? That is known as time of flight. So yes, in this four information we need to find. So very first thing, what do we calculate? Here we calculate time of maximum height. Then if we talk about time of flight, so what is it? Twice of time of maximum height. And then maximum height, how much height is attained? Then horizontal range. So these are the four targets that we have to achieve in this. Okay, if we talk about it, so what is it? U sine theta upon G. And here if we talk about it, so yeah, 2U sine theta upon G. In this case, U square sine square theta upon 2G. And last, horizontal range. So in this, what? U square sine 2 theta upon G. So yes, my habit to teach the topic with the objects, and yes, finally I say every time, never compromise with your morals and ethics. Keep calm your brain and study physics.